Let's go see. Let's go see what the guys are doing.
Well, hello. Today, Ed is back along with his friend Ryan, and they're gonna put on the rest of the gutters. How are you, Ed?
All good.
What are you doing up on my roof?
Oh, just another beautiful day, just checking the weather.
It's a pretty warm day today for January, 32 degrees. So I'm gonna show you a couple of things. I think we'll show you about the downspouts and the gutter covers and this tip out downspout deal that they're gonna make. See, there's Ryan. There he is.
Hey, how you doing?
So what's the rule with having clearance on the bottom?
I'll measure down here, and then I subtract 12 inches usually.
Uh-huh.
But if the foundation is a little bit higher or shorter, there's different variations where that extension will be right here to extend at the right slope with the extension coming out here.
So that's all done. So you cut it at an angle. Here's the edging in the summertime, and you just screw it down so it doesn't go anywhere. And then the lawnmower will go, you know, right around. So do you take the gutter and make your own hinge off the downspout, or?
You can, but they don't function as well and they don't last as long. Where this flip up that we use, it just sits on top and it flips up like that. Where if we were to drill into the downspout and screw it, it's only as strong as the material that you're holding together.
Okay, so here it is. Here's the flip up. It's on the hinge. Here is the Velcro piece. Pull it off. So you flip it up, stick the Velcro, and it's out of the way for the lawnmower. All right, so here they are, just manning it up the ladder. 2 ladders, 1 big long gutter, and shoving it underneath the drip edge, just like that. So these are the screens that will be going on top of the gutters. And that's how gutters are put on in the winter. Pretty much just like the summer, except for there's snow all over the place. Hey, if you like this video, click the like button below and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you later.